Hey, how's it going? So, yeah, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, they're both like fighting it out right now. It's kind of funny. It's like who let the dogs out? They're both just like fighting for that top 10 place. So as you can see right here, Shiba Inu is relatively close with Dogecoin. Dogecoin like came back to life all of a sudden. It's kind of funny. Yep. Yeah, so as you can see, Dogecoin is at 39.4 billion. Shiba Inu is at 43.6 billion. And yeah, it's just hilarious how they're all of a sudden like Dogecoin just came back to life after I was just talking crap about it. I was saying like, yeah, it doesn't do anything. It's been flat for like a while, and all of a sudden, boom, it just jumped like 15%. And yeah, so Shiba Inu basically came back after somewhat of a sell-off. I mean, the sell-off only lasted like an hour or two. It didn't really sell off that much. So yeah. So if we refresh, we can see Shiba Inu. It's yeah, it's pretty up. Like in the past hour, it just came back. It hit like 50s, 57, and then from 57 just bounced off, and then it's been riding this 60 to 70s train for a while. And Dogecoin out of nowhere came back, but it hasn't passed 30 in a while. I don't know. Like if I was a Dogecoin holder, I don't know. I'll probably get out right now. It's just been at 30 for a while. You can see right here that there's so much selling going on compared to Shiba Inu. There's so much buying, like 85% buy, and this is like within the past 24 hours. So it's been insane. However, Dogecoin just been selling, and and yeah. But the funny thing is, they're both like almost neck and neck in terms of market cap. So market cap is the thing you have to like watch out for. And Shiba Inu is actually almost about to overtake XRP as well. And then might even has a shot for the big guys, which is Solana and Cardano. It's getting there. Let's see. So we look at some technicals. So in my last video, I was basically saying like 70. It seems like it's like a support line. If we drop past by it, we might hit all the way down to 50. And then after that video, that's basically what happened. It went down to like 58, 57. And yeah, it came back. Everyone was like freaking out at first, but then it came back, and so now it's just stabilizing in that 70 range. And I wonder if we're gonna have like a repeat of like what happened over here, but it's gonna be over here now. So let's see if that plays out. So let me try to make like a box pattern or something. Here, let's see if I can do like a box pattern. Yeah, let's try to do this rectangle right here. Yeah, so this rectangle. So I wonder if this, like how it just rose from here and then stabilized. I wonder if we're gonna see that same pattern over here. So let's see if we can copy this right here. Let's move it up over here. Hold on one second. Yeah, so I wonder if we're gonna see the same thing over here, or is it gonna crash back down? Yeah, I don't know. So can you guys hear me, by the way? Let me know if you can hear me, because I just started doing some streaming, so I'm not too sure if like my audio is always on or playing right. But yep, let me know in the comments if you can hear me. Also, so as you can see, basically I'm still holding. I'm at 2,580 now, and I started with 450, and basically on Coinbase Pro, that's pretty much like all I have is Shiba Inu. Now off Coinbase, I have like Bitcoin. I have a bunch of Ethereum, but this is basically what I have in terms of like Shiba Inu. This is what I'm in. I had 34 million, and when I bought this, that's pretty much like what I had in my bank account at the time. I honestly wasn't planning to like do anything with it. If anything, I thought I was gonna like lose that money, but it's been going up. And then also, while we're still on the topic, let's take a quick look at Shiba Inu again. Let's do a quick refresh. Let's see where it's at. Damn, it says 75. So the weird part is it says 75 on Coinbase, but over here on TradingView, it still looks like it's around 70, which is kind of weird. Let me refresh. Let's reload. Yeah, it still says like it's 70. And I lost my boxes, but it still says it's 70 on TradingView, which is kind of weird. But then Coinbase is set at 75. So I don't know which one's lagging, or maybe Coinbase is trying to like, overprice you guys. Anyways, let's take a look at Dogecoin. Let's see if it passed 30 finally. Dogecoin needs to pass 30. If it doesn't pass 30, it's not going to do anything. It's for the longest time, it's been trying to pass 30. Like, look at it. For like the past month, it's been in this 20 range, and it looks like it's finally about to hit 30. But every time it almost hit 30, it just started crashing back down. So it needs to pass 30 to do something relevant. So we refresh this again. Let's see how close they are between Shiba and Dogecoin. All right, so Shiba's still above it. It's still above Doggy. It's still above Polkadot. And it's crazy to think about it because literally Shiba, like not that long ago, was like all the way. It wasn't even here. He had to go to like the next page in order to like find it. And now all of a sudden it's like in the top 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Yeah, it's top 10. And the funny thing is, these last like 5, they're all like pretty close to each other. So Shiba Inu can like jump to like top 5. I feel like if it passes Cardano, it's not that far away from Tether, and it's not that far away from Binance. So it would be really funny to see Shiba Inu be like number 4 spot. That'd be freaking hilarious. Anyway, so let me know in the comments if you guys can hear me. I'm just gonna put in the comments. Hello guys, how's my mic? Let me know if you can hear me, or how the mic is. Is it good? Is it bad? All right, so let me just do a quick refresh on my portfolio. I just want to see if it went up or if it went down. Now again, I'm not planning to sell. Or I've been saying this. I don't plan to sell until we hit Robinhood, or until like something crazy happens, But like I've been trying to hold on until we get to Robinhood listing, because I feel like at this point it's inevitable. It should hit Robinhood. Like I don't see why Robinhood would add it to the platform, because they're not going to be making much money. Speaking of Robinhood, I can showcase basically what I have real quick on Robinhood. So yeah, this month has been pretty good lately. Basically, I have on Robinhood, I have all my money on Coinbase, and I'm up pretty good amount now on Coinbase. And I even bought the Trump stock just for fun. So as you can see, I just bought some again. So it's funny because I bought the Trump one when it came out, and then I made like 500, and then I sold it. But then I went back in, and I'm already up like another 10%. So the Trump one is funny. I feel like it's super risky. It's more riskier than Shiba Inu, I think. But yeah, so it's just kind of funny. So this is basically my portfolio on Robinhood so far. And Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're both still kind of like, not really doing much. They're both doing their thing. Dogecoin is, again, it can't pass 30. It's not really doing anything past 30. Shiba Inu basically came back. Dogecoin just started wagging its tail, but it's not doing much. Shiba Inu came back from like that quick sell-off to the 50s. It's back around 70. Actually, let me refresh. Let's double check how much it is. Yeah, it's a 74. So it's kind of crazy how like it surged so much. Like, and I was literally just talking about this. I made a video about this yesterday. I was like, hey, this can easily double from where it is right now. And I mean, I wasn't expecting it to happen like literally the next day, but pretty crazy. And times like this, you wish that you bought more when it was way back over here. But it is what it is. Me myself, I'm up like I think 600%. But again, I only put in 450. I wish I put obviously more, like 1,000 or 2,000. That would have been nice. But you can't complain. Gains are gains. And I feel like once you have so many gains at a certain point, you're like, there's no point in selling. I'm just gonna keep writing it out, just because you're up so much that even if it drops like 50% by from what it is right now, you're still up like another 100, 200%. So there's no point in selling. I think I'm gonna keep holding. As you can see, I'm still holding. I've been talking about this for like the past, I don't know how many, like 3 weeks. I've been talking about Shiba Inu, and I've been holding since then, and I'm already up like a good amount. Pretty sure there's a lot of you guys that are up like a good amount as well. But yeah, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, they're both fighting it out right now. I think when Shiba Inu started dropping, like when it had that drop to the 50s, I think that's when Dogecoin started rising all of a sudden. Like it's almost around the same time when that happened. So I wonder if like some like whale or something like took out money from Shiba Inu and then basically went on to Dogecoin to like kind of ramp it up. But again, like if you look at the selling is so much on the Dogecoin side compared to the Shiba Inu side. And they like Coinbase had to crash. Coinbase had to like basically stop it. Or else it would, I don't know how high it would have gone. It probably would have shaved off another zero. So yeah, they're both kind of fighting it out right now. It's pretty funny. So we take a look at these technicals. So right now it's playing in the 70 to 89 range. It's still here. So it may just be, playing in this area for, I don't know, who knows how long. So we may either see this happen over here or something like this happen and then go back to the 50 or something like that. So we're going to see like what plays out. But right now it's in the 70 to 80, 90 area. And yeah, anyway, so let's see what else is going on. So Shiba Inu, let's do a quick refresh. Let's just see where it's at right now. Damn, so still holding above 40 billion market cap. It's at 43. And again, this is surprising. It was 25 yesterday and then like 11 like a couple days ago. It's crazy. And then Dogecoin they're both almost like neck and neck. Like Dogecoin is at 39.7 and Shiba is at 43.6. So they're both like really close to each other, both like fighting it out for that top 10 place right now. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Let me know, like, who do you think is gonna win? Do you think Doggy's gonna make a comeback? Or do you think Shiba's gonna just like take over everything? Like, I mean, it's basically taking over everything. Like, it wasn't even here. It wasn't even in the first page like a couple weeks ago, and now it's in the top 10. And it's not that far off from XRP. It's not that far off from Solana. It's not that far off from Cardano. Like it can easily like overtake these like 5 that it's in front of Shiba Inu. It can easily overtake those. Just like a little bit more momentum. As long as Coinbase doesn't break again or stop halting, it can easily take those. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know who you're rooting for. Are you a Dogecoin fan, Shiba Inu fan? Are you in both? or because I know there's some Dogecoin holders that like really hate Shiba Inu holders, and the funny thing is Dogecoin was supposed to be like a meme off of Bitcoin, and then Shiba Inu was a meme off of Dogecoin. So I feel like all these memes keep like overtaking each other. Dogecoin overtook Bitcoin in terms of like how much you could have made, and now Shiba Inu is like taking over Dogecoin. So that's pretty funny how it plays out. So let's do a quick refresh to see where Shiba's at. Shiba is at, oh no, it's going back down. It's at 69. Well, I mean, it's not that far off from the 70 mark. Is Dogecoin also going down? Let's see. No, Dogecoin's going up. It looks like it's breaking that 30. It's at 31 now. Interesting. It'll be really interesting to see if Dogecoin actually overtakes it all of a sudden. Like, that'd be kind of weird. Like, Dogecoin just comes back out of nowhere. Yeah, so I wonder what people are talking about or what they think. Let's see. Yeah, there's no like current news. There's nothing current or anything that I've seen that besides the whole like Turkish exchange Paribu listing Shiba Inu there, which caused like a huge spike. There hasn't been anything crazy that I've seen related to Shiba other than the whole mainstream media just talking about Shiba Inu breaking highs and everything. Yeah, so not much to do there. So let's look at Shiba Inu again. Man, are you guys like me where I just like constantly check the price just for funsies, even though I don't have to look at the price because I'm already up so much, but I'm just constantly like looking at the price. Like, it's literally like I could be sometimes at work and then get so distracted, especially like how everyone's all of a sudden like working from home and whatnot. So if you're new to Shiba Inu, like you just started like crypto and you got into Shiba Inu, like what are your thoughts of the crypto world and stuff? Like, do you like it? Are you using Coinbase? What are you using? You know, are you using Binance or something? And why are you using Binance over Coinbase? Why one over the other? You know? Yeah, so right now they're just like battling now. Let me do like a quick refresh. Let's see. Nope, it's going back down. Shiba Inu is going back down. If it can't hold at 70, it's most likely gonna. We might see 50 tomorrow again. So look, it's not holding the 70, so it's like breaking down now. It's at 66. Let's see if it's gonna keep dropping. 66, 666. Yeah, so it's looking pretty bad. Let's see. Let me go to this. Let's get rid of this right here. And then this. Yeah, so right now it's dropping. So again, if it doesn't hold at 70, it may drop all the way back to 50, this 50 range. Then we'll see what happens with that 50 range. Anyway, so pretty much we'll see how it goes tomorrow, how it plays out. Right now it's looking like Shiba Inu is probably gonna lose this battle. It looks like Dogecoin is actually going up now. So Shiba Inu might actually lose the top 10 place, but I still feel like Shiba Inu might surge up. Like it just surged up so much, like a pullback is expected. But I still feel like long term wise, at least like within the next month or so, Shiba Inu can easily surpass Dogecoin just because you can do more with Shiba Inu. You can't really do like anything with Dogecoin just because Dogecoin's built off the Bitcoin network compared to Shiba Inu. Like Shiba Inu has like smart contracts, it has staking, it has NFTs, it has like this whole different world. And Dogecoin, it just has like backing of Elon Musk and some other some boomer holders, that's what they're calling them now. You're still holding Dogecoin, you're considered a boomer hodler. Anyway, so that's it for today's video. If you like the video, make sure you give a like. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you think Shiba Inu is still gonna last in the top 10? Is it gonna be overtaken by Dogecoin again? Is Dogecoin gonna finally rise from the ashes? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video.